Feel invincible when you're confident with your makeup. This makeup masterclass was designed with every makeup lover in mind, but especially those who struggle on how to apply it correctly and how to make it last throughout the day. These tips and tricks will help you gain confidence and will make you feel like a diva. So don't forget to subscribe to my monthly makeup masterclass. You will have access to all my new upcoming videos. Want to learn how to get started? Not a problem. Scroll down and you can check out either on a monthly or yearly subscription. You'll have access to all my new upcoming videos and keep up to date with those techniques. I divided all my information within 4 modules, and each module is divided in 2. I have a theory video, like that you'll understand the basic fundamentals of products, techniques, tools, etc. And then you have another video, which I call the show and teach technique, where I'll be applying makeup on a model and she applies makeup on her other side of the face. Throughout the whole video, I'm guiding you with all my tips, just like as if you were right in front of me. So subscribe today so you can learn all my tips and tricks and feel confident when applying your makeup. Hey, who knows? Maybe you'll become a pro. Oh, by the way, if you have any questions or any trouble subscribing, you can always reach out to me on my live chat. Take care. Talk to you soon.